Dear students, at first I welcome everybody to my class. I am MM Bilal Hossain, Assistant Teacher, English, Raghunathpur Secondary School, Dumuria, Khulna. How are you? I hope that you are all well at home. I am also well by the grace of Allah. Today I will take an English class for the students of class 8. I will deal with personal letter or informal letter. Do you know what personal letter or informal letter is? Actually, a personal letter or an informal letter is a letter which is written without following any official rule. Now, I will tell you how to write a personal letter. To write a personal letter, at first you will have to write the date. It will be written at the top left part of the page, and then you will have to write your own address. Keeping a line space, you will have to say the name of your friend, or you will have to address him or her saying something like father, mother, friend, etc. I will teach you how to invite a friend to spend the summer vacation with you in your village. In such type of letter, you can say dear friend or dear Shumon, etc. Then you can write, at first take my cordial love. I hope that you are well. I am also well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Then you can say, a few days ago I received your letter, but I could not reply because of my exam. To attract him or her to your village, you can say something which may attract him or her, like this: you will be glad to know that I am going to spend my summer vacation in my native village. It will be a great joy if you go with me. Then you can say, my mother is an expert in cooking. She can prepare different delicious items. You can say, if you go with me, we will enjoy different homemade food which will be prepared by my mother. The items may include or maybe pan pitha, kuli pitha, bhaba pitha. You can also mention the name of different delicious homemade pitha or cakes. These will attract your friend. You can also mention the name of panta ilish with mashed potato. It is our traditional food which is eaten on Pohela Boishak. If you say the names of these traditional items, he may be attracted. You can also mention the name of fried hilsa, different vegetable curry, etc. You can also attract him saying different events which can attract him, like this. You can say, you know that a small river flows by our village. If you go with me, we will catch fishes from the river. You can also say, we will go out for a walk through cornfields at afternoon. You can also say, we will enjoy swimming in the river. We can also say, we will also enjoy picking mangoes from the tree and taste them. You can enjoy the taste of fresh blackberry, etc., etc., like this. At last part, you can say, I am sure that you will be very excited in my village. My parents will be very glad if you go with me. So you are cordially invited to spend the summer vacation with me in my village. If you say this, your friend will be attracted to join with you. At the last part, you will have to say, no more today, more when we shall meet in future. My best regards to your parents and love to the youngers. At last, at the lower part of the page, you will say yours ever or your friend or with thanks. Then you will have to write your name or sign there like Tamim Hossain. Okay? In this way, you can write a personal letter, and at the end of it, you will have to draw an envelope, and left part of it, you will have to write your own address, and at the right part of the envelope, you will have to write the name of him or her whom you are writing the letter and his or her address, and at the right top corner of the envelope you will have to draw a stamp or ticket. Okay, have you got the idea about writing a personal letter? If you have got the idea about writing a personal letter, I want to give you a home task. The task is, suppose your name is Tamim, you are a student of Raghunathpur Secondary School, Dumuria, Khulna. You stay at home with your parents. You have a pen friend named Alex who lives in Canada. Now write a letter to your friend Alex about your own country and her people. Thank you, everybody. I pray and hope that Allah will keep you safe and sound at home. See again in my next class. Allah Hafiz.